Every transaction in bookkeeping has two sides, not one. Master that single idea, and everything else in accounting finally makes sense. Buy a laptop and money leaves the business, but a laptop arrives. Something goes out, something comes in. Two effects. So, every account has two sides too. The left side is called debit. The right side is called credit. That's all they mean. Forget what your bank card taught you. Debit doesn't mean bad, and credit doesn't mean good. They're simply the left and right sides of an account. Here's the golden rule. Every debit must have an equal and opposite credit. Every transaction is recorded twice. Say you buy £200 of goods on credit from Jones Ltd. There are two effects. Goods come in, and now you owe Jones money. So we debit the purchases account £200 and we credit Jones Ltd £200. Two entries, perfectly balanced. Because everything is recorded twice, the books check themselves. If total debits don't equal total credits, you know something is wrong. Two sides, debit on the left, credit on the right, and every debit has an equal credit. Next time, which accounts get which? Sepera College offers accredited AAT courses taught fully online by real tutors, so you can study from anywhere with the link below.